Very good morning, students. Today we will see the continuous topics of coordinate geometry. So firstly, yesterday we have learnt about the distance between 2 points. That is root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is the formula which you have learnt yesterday. So today we will be working out with a different concept and few more problems we will look after. So today let us learn what is meaning of collinear. So if 3 points are given A, B and C. So if 3 points are given and if he is asking us to prove that these 3 points are collinear. So to prove that these 3 points are collinear, so what is the meaning of collinear actually? If more than 2 points lies on the line. If more than 2 points lie on the line. So if you take a line, so it is point A, point B. If point C, so if point C is also there on the line, then we can say that these 3 points are called as collinear points. It may be 3, it may be 4 also. So if I want to call these 3 points as the collinear points, then the 3 points should be there on the same line. So how to prove this question whether it is a collinear or not in coordinate geometry? So to prove this, we have to find out the distance between AC as well as CB as well as AB. So we need to find out the distance between AC and BC and AB. After finding these 3 distances, we have to get AB answer as AC plus BC. If this is satisfied, then we can say that the given points are collinear points. So this is about the concept of collinear. We have to use only distance between 2 points formula. So he will be giving 3 points in the question. So we have to apply first, we need to find out the distance between AC and BC and lastly AB. After finding the 3 distances, AB answer must be equals to AC answer plus BC answer. If it is happened, then I can say that the given points are collinear points. Now, let us see next concept. So let us suppose this is a point 2 comma 1 and here there is another point 3 comma minus 2. So let us suppose this is a point A, this is point B. If I want to find out the distance between these 2 points, I have used yesterday formula. Okay. Now let us suppose there is a point C on this line. Let us suppose there is a point C on this line. Okay. The point C is here, that is 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. So point C is here, that is at 3 comma minus 1. So if there is a point C which is at 3 comma minus 1, so my question is from A to C and C to B, what ratio it is going to divide? So I want AC is to CB ratio. So the line segment is divided by a point. So that point means what ratio it is going to divide? Means AC length and CB length is what? So to get this concept of ratio, the ratio means on a line let us suppose AB is one line, there is another point C. So A coordinates are x1, y1, B coordinates are x2, y2. If I want this C coordinate which is x3, comma y3. So if he is asking what ratio AC and BC is going to divide, this ratio we have to use by using the formula called section formula. So what is the formula to be used here? Whenever ratio is asking in the question, then we have to use the concept of section formula. So what is the section formula? See here. Let A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 are the 2 points. So A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 are the 2 points. Then C x comma y be a point. Be a point on line AB. Then C divides AB in ratio. What is the ratio means? So C x comma y is equals to, formula will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula, where m1 and m2 stands for the ratio and x1 and x2 are the coordinates of two given points. So we are going to get the third point if he is asking the ratio. Let us see one question based on this. So find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment AB whose coordinates are 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 2. In the ratio 3:2. In the ratio 3:2. So if he is asking us to find the coordinates of the point, so first we need to draw the figure here. So he is saying line segment AB. So line segment A, here it is B. So whose coordinates are 2 comma minus 4 and the second coordinate is 3 comma minus 2. So there is one point P, we don't know where it is, but it is dividing in what ratio? A to P is 3 parts and B to is 2 parts. So 3:2. 3:2 ratio it is dividing. So we need to find out what are the coordinates of P. X comma y we will assume. So what is the answer we are going to get? That we need to prove here. So to prove that, we have the section formula, that is P x comma y is given as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So A is 2 comma minus 4. So let us substitute the values in this formula. M1, where M1 is 3 and M2 is 2. So M1 is 3 into, so this is x1 y1 and here it is x2 y2. Two coordinates, na? x1 y1, x2 y2. If there are 3 coordinates, x3 y3. So 3 into x2, x2 is 3 plus m2, 2 into x1, 2 divided by m1 plus m2, 3 plus 2, m1 y2. So 3 into minus 2 plus m2 y1, 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 2. So that is equals to 3 3 is a 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 by 5, comma, minus 6, minus 8, minus 14 by 5. So these are the coordinates of the point P in which it divides the ratio 3:2. Now, if he is asking the question in a different manner, see here. Second question, find the ratio in which the coordinates, find the ratio in which the point minus 4 comma 6 divides minus 4 comma 6 divides the point A 6 comma minus 10, minus 6 comma 10 and B 3 comma 8, 3 comma minus 8. So question is, now previously ratio is given and we have found the point. Now here the question is ratio is asking, he has already given the point. So how to do these questions here? So A and B are the 2 points here. So minus 6 comma 10 and the B point is 3 comma minus 8. So 2 points are given. So let us suppose the point P is there here. We will assume that this is a point P minus 4 comma 6. Now here question is what ratio it is going to divide. We have to find out what is M1 and M2. So to get this we will use section formula. Obviously it is having the ratio. So ratio means section formula. So that is Px comma y is equals to, formula will be M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2 comma M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. So let us substitute the values here. X comma y, already point P is given, which is minus 4 comma 6 is equals to M1, we don't know, M1 into, this is X1 y1, this one will be X2 y2. So here M1 into X2, M1 into X2 is 3 plus M2 into X1, which is minus 6 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 into Y2, which is minus 8, M2 into Y1, which is 10 divided by M1 plus M2. So that is equals to, it will be 3M1 minus 6M2 divided by M1 plus M2, comma, minus 8M1 plus 10M2 divided by M1 plus M2. So that is minus 4 comma 6. Now after substituting the values we have to make M1 and M2 values. So see here how to do. So either we can equate x coordinate to the x value or y coordinate to the y value. If we are doing any of one, we will get the answer here. So I am making here minus 4 is equals to 3M1 minus 6M2 divided by M1 plus M2. So it will become, if I try and multiply these two, so if it is a division term, if I multiply this, it will become minus 4M1 minus 4M2 is equals to 3M1 minus 6M2. So let me erase this. So all M1s one side, so it will be minus 4M1 minus 3M1 is equals to minus 6m2 plus 4m2. So minus 7m1 is equals to minus 2m2. Minus minus gets cancelled. So m1 by m2 is equals to 2 by 7. That is m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 7. So it is going to divide in the ratio 2 is to 7. So we can do in this method. Next, let us try to understand another type of questions. Okay, next type is find the coordinates of trisection for the given points A 2, minus 2, 3, B minus 3, 4. So these are the 2 points. For this we need to find out the coordinates of trisection. So observe this word trisection. Tri in the sense 3 and section means we have to use the section formula. So tri. So let us try to understand this. He has given 2 points here. So point A which is minus 2, 3 and point B which is minus 3, 4. So this line segment I have to divide it into 3 parts. Trisection. Tri means 3 parts. So if I keep here 1 point, here 1 point, it will be C and D. Now if you see here, AC is 1 part and CD is second part and DB is third part. So I have divided the line into 3 parts. It may not be equal, but I have divided the line into 3 parts. So how I am going to get this means here. Now equal parts I have to divide. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts I have divided. Now C divides, in order to get the C part, C divides AB in ratio. What is the ratio here? From A to C, I want C na. So from A to C it is 1 part and from C to D it is 1 plus 1 which is 2. So C divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. Once again see here, C is the point. So A to C is 1 part and C to D is 1 plus 1 which is 2. So I am using a ratio 1 is to 2, trisection. So to get the answer of C x comma y, we have to use the formula m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. So let us substitute the values. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So m1, m2. m1 is 1, m2 is 2. So m1 is 1 into x2. 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 comma m1. 1 into y2 4 plus 2 into y1 3 divided by 1 plus 2. So if I write here answer, 1 3 is 3 minus 3 plus into minus minus 3 minus 4 by 3 comma 4 plus 6 by 3. So point is minus 7 by 3 comma 10 by 3. So this is the C point. Similarly, we are going to find out the D point. Now see here how to find out the D point. D divides AB in ratio. What ratio it is going to divide? D divides AB in the ratio. So A to D is 1 plus 1 which is 2 parts. From D to B is 1 part. So 2 is to 1. AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So by using the same section formula, instead of C here D, so let me substitute the values. So let me write the coordinates here, minus 7 by 3 comma 10 by 3. Now m1 is 2, m2 is 1. So m1 2 into x2 minus 3 plus m2 1 into x1 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 comma m1 2 into y2 4 plus m2 1 into y1 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is equals to, so 2 3s are minus 6 minus 2 by 3 comma 8 plus 3 by 3. So that is minus 8 by 3 comma 8 9 10 11 by 3. So these are the coordinates of D, minus 8 by 3 comma 11 by 3. So this is the way of finding the coordinates of the points of trisection. Now the same question, if he is asking in a different manner with trisection over, next we will concentrate on 4 equal parts. Trisection means 3 parts. Okay, find the coordinates of the points A minus 2 comma 4 and B 5 comma minus 5 comma 3. Divide line segment into 4 equal parts. Four equal parts. So here we have to make 4 equal parts for the line segment A and B. Minus 2 comma 4, this is minus 5 comma 3. So first middle D, so 2 parts are here E, here F. So how to get these points D, E, F here? Here one part, 4 equal parts I made. Now if I want A, E, so A to E 1 part and here 3 parts. So answer is 1:3 ratio. If I want D, A to D and D to B, so 2 parts. If I want F, A to F 3 and F to B 1, so 3:1. Now let us start writing. E divides AB in ratio. What ratio it is going to divide? E divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Observe here, A to E 1 part and D to E to B 3 parts. So it divides in the ratio 1:3. So E points coordinates of E x comma y is equals to, section formula we have to use, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here it is m1 m2 and this one is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now let us substitute the values here. m1 is 1 into x2 minus 5 plus m2 3 into x1 minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2, which is 1 plus 3. Next m1 1 into y2 3 plus m2 3 into y1 4 divided by 1 plus 3, that is equals to 155. So it will be minus 5 plus into minus minus, so minus 6 divided by 4 comma 3 plus 12 divided by 3. So minus 11 by 4, comma, 12 plus 3, 15 by 3 is 5. So the coordinates of point E are, what is the point we got here? Minus 11 by 4, comma, 5. Let me write here. Minus 11 by 4, comma, 5. 15 by 3 we got. So it is by 5. Next, let us start with F, D. So D divides AB in the ratio. What is the ratio he has given in the question? 2:2 we got here. 2:2. So let us substitute the values here. If I substitute the values, M1 is 2. So 2 into x2. x2 will be minus 5. So 2 into minus 5 plus 2 into minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2, comma, M1, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 2 is equals to 2 5s minus 10 minus 4 divided by 4, 6 plus 8 divided by 4. So minus 14 by 4, which is minus 7 by 2. 14 by 4, which is 7 by 2. So these are the coordinates of point D. Let me write here. Minus 7 by 2, comma, 7 by 2. Now to get the coordinates of F, so F divides in the ratio 3:1. 3:1. So here it is F. So let us substitute the values here. That is equals to M1 3 into x2. So x2 is minus 5 plus M2 1 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1, comma, 3 into 3 plus 1 into 4 divided by 3 plus 1. 3 5s minus 15 minus 2 divided by 4, comma, 9 plus 4 divided by 4. So minus 17 by 4, comma, 13 by 4. So these are the coordinates of F that we can write in the. So previous question we have learned trisection, where we made 3 parts. Now it is 4 equal parts. So this is the way we have to attempt the question, and we need to draw the line segment as well. Now another type, if he is asking us to make 6 parts, here carefully how to make the 6 parts. It may be 5 parts, it may be 6 parts. So try to understand this concept carefully. A, B. If he is asking us to make 5 parts here, how to make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So A, B or na? C, D, E, F. So I am making the line into 5 equal parts. So 5 parts. So A to here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So A to C is 1 and C to B is 4. So 1:4 ratio. Next, here 2:3 ratio, 3:2 ratio, like this. Means various, it may be 6 equal parts also, 7 equal parts also, 8 equal parts also. Whatever the question comes, we have to make the line segment in that parts. So make sure that every part you make it as 1 number, so that we can use the section formula and we'll get the answer.